What's up everyone, my name's ArrowThief and I'm going to play some Deadbolt. This is my second time attempting to make this video, so we'll see how it goes this time. Another night. So this is a game where you play the Grim Reaper killing zombies. Okay. Because that's a thing. So, as you can probably tell, it's a side-scroller. If I was to press W here, I would go down, which is interesting because you would think S would take you down and W would take you up, but no, it's the same either way. Alright. So, I've got a basic melee attack, and I've also got a thrown attack, or ranged attack. And as soon as I go up these stairs, this zombie up here is going to totally see me and then attempt to kill me. Let's see if I can be faster than he is. Yep, that went well. Get the gun. Okay. So that red thing there was a gun. And that is a dead zombie. Turn off the lights. Try to conserve power. Save the planet. All that jazz. I wonder if there's an actual achievement in this game for turning off all the lights. I would like that. That would be good. Alright, so my other ability is I can light a lighter, which is a cool thing to do. And then I can go through air vents and pipes. So right now I have a nice little revolver. If I aim it right, I'll just take him out in one shot. Let's see where this leads us. I can hold two weapons at once, so I'll go ahead and pick up this pistol. Stick with my revolver at the moment. So if I hit them anywhere other than in the head, they can take more hits. That guy is very angry and looking all over the place for me. I have one bullet left in my gun. Maybe I can take him out with my... Oh, no, I couldn't. Whew. That was close. So there's also a light mechanic. You can see up here the light coming through the doorway. And they can't see you if you're in the dark. I'll try to show that off in a minute. Dead simple. 5 stars. So you gain these souls, which you can use later on to buy stuff. I have a candle talking to me. And my light switch is broken. Can I not talk to my candle that talked to me? Alright, and then in here, I can choose an assignment, which presently I can't choose an assignment. Escape button does not double as back button. And then I can just sit here in front of the fireplace. Nice and quaint. I like these shadows. Or I can actually sit and talk to my fireplace, because that's what you do. Another life well returned. So essentially the story of the game is that there's undead. The undead need to be dead. And you're the Grim Reaper. So, you know, Grim Reaper in a pretty swanky outfit. So let's see if we can take out the noisy neighbors. Alright, also, we can come to the back of our car and open it up and see that I only have one gun. Do it again. I love that he locks his car afterwards. It makes me happy. Alright, let's see if we can surprise this guy. I only have a revolver, so I'll probably, you know, alert the entire house when I do this. But... hide over here, maybe he'll... Oh, no, that didn't go well. Okay, let's try that again. I really need to get that on the first shot. I don't have bullets to waste. Yeah, see? That's how you're supposed to do it. So I only have 3 shots remaining. This is going to be dangerous, being that I don't see a lot of good places to get more ammo, except for down here. So maybe I should just go back to the beginning. Come in the front door. Maybe I'm just overthinking this coming through the toilet. Can also just walk up and start punching a dude. But that didn't go very well, so I would perhaps suggest against just walking up and punching a dude. That is a far more efficient way to get rid of him. Alright, this is a good chance to turn off the lights. Oh, I can also knock. So let's just go ahead and knock. They're very suspicious of the fact that people keep falling over dead, but they haven't considered... Ooh, that was close. Come up behind this dude. This guy's very cautious at the moment. Ah, crap. Alright, now I'm completely out of bullets with this gun, so let's switch back to my revolver. Ooh. Didn't exactly go as planned. I was expecting him to turn around slightly sooner. I still press S every time I want to go downstairs. Let me just come down here and get in our car. No more noisy neighbors. 4-star, not that bad. The fact that I died twice probably caused some problems there. I love the effect of turning off the music. It's a really good effect. Alright, now let's sit and talk to our fireplace. Hello, Mr. Fireplace. Eject their brains and see what it contains. Drug called Ash. That's original. My employer, the Flames. Alright, so there's a bouncer. So there's actually a bigger, meaner zombie. And he's probably going to cause me some problems. Let's go ahead and get to it. Find out what the strange drug is. Ronald said no. Gotta do what Ronald says. Otherwise he'll, I don't know, turn you into hamburgers. Okay, so this is a good chance to use a knock. Knock. Okay, maybe that was a bad idea. Oh, it went pretty well. Intended 2 bullets, but if I could get back up to that toilet, I could, oh, 1 bullet. Well, he decided it wasn't worth it, so he left. Let's go ahead and, we'll just pop out over here. I only have 1 bullet and a hammer. And this guy has a shotgun. This will probably not go well. Nope, did not go well. Perhaps I should try to do something different. I could just open this door. Well, that was efficient. Okay. I didn't actually expect that to go that well. If I had been more quiet by, like beating people over the head with hammers, then that would have gone a little bit better. So this is a good chance to just throw a hammer at a dude. That's not actually what I meant to do. Oh well. But if I come up here, I can use my 2 remaining shots of my gun to take out that zombie. And get some more bullets. So different guns do have different stats. One might be better for one thing, whereas another might be better for another thing. Let's go ahead and set off the timer. That guy takes a lot of bullets. Alright, so now I got myself a shotgun. And here's the drug. I have now inspected the drug. Alright, so there's 2 guys out here. I could try to shoot them both in the head, or I could just go... And that works well. And then I can just come in here, slide through the bathtub, and come back to my car. Those zombies aren't high anymore. Still only got 4 stars, but, you know, I'll take what I can get. Oh, okay. Now go to the docks is opened up, so I can now come out here and talk to this shady guy. Get it? Because he's probably like a shade or something. I don't know. Alright, so here's all my weapons that I can get that will be kept in my trunk. Can have everything from just basic melee secondary weapons to a sickle, which I would really love to get, but that costs a lot of souls. So at the end of every mission, I'm given a certain amount of souls, which I can use to buy new weapons. So I'm going to go ahead and buy myself a knife, because being able to have a knife at the beginning is a good thing. And then I'm just completely out of money. Well, no. I could buy a 9mm pistol, which holds more bullets than my present revolver, which only holds 6 bullets, but it's accurate. Let's save the money for now. And get something fun in a little bit. Alright. Burn the ash. It's hard to burn ash. It's kind of like ash comes from things being burned. Oh hey look, and now he's telling me that the guy out there is out there. Nice of him. Let's go ahead and hop to our next mission first though. Zombie Kings. Alright, so now I can open the trunk of my car, and look at that, I got a revolver and a knife. So let's go ahead and take the knife and the revolver. So if I go in here, this dude's going to see me immediately. I could knock on the door and he might come out. Or come through here and exit the vent. I think the best... Oh, I could also come in over here. Oh, this might be good. I can use my knife. Turn off light. Use my knife to just knife that dude. And then I can get this guy to turn around. Knife him. Oh, and then get shot in the face. Okay, that didn't exactly go as planned. So, nothing seems to be completely silent. Despite the fact that I was using a melee weapon, they still seem to hear me. That guy up top's coming to check it out. They don't hear me anymore. They don't even have ears anymore. Alright, let's try this guy one more time. Yeah, that didn't go well. Just wait for these guys to come to the door. I got a cassette tape. And that's snazzy. Oh. Wow, okay, we passed each other on the stairs. Just go ahead and take his shotgun. So I have a knife and a shotgun at the moment. Knife is an instant kill on these guys if I throw it. So that works well for killing one guy. Not so much for killing 2 guys. But you know, it does work good for killing a guy. Shotguns. Sadly, I only get a few shots with those. Alright, I have a 9mm pistol and there are 2 guys in here. I think I can take them both out pretty quick. I was right. Or bad. I did not expect that to work. By some miracle, I'm still alive. Also, if you walk past the same gun that you already have that's stuck to the wall, as guns are known to do, then it will refill your ammo. So you don't actually have to pick up the gun. Let's just open this door. Take out the zombies. Turn off the light. Someone's got to pay that power bill, don't you know? And burn this last thing. I love those auto start cars. Beautiful. Smoke signals. There it is. Another 4-star. Another 4 souls. 4? No, that is 10. Now I have 80, which I had 50, and plus 10 is 8. I don't... Math does not make sense in this game. Oh look, there's another candle guy. Oh, and he dropped off a cassette player. This is how I listen to tapes. They show up as texts in my life. Let's go to the docks and see if we can buy anything fun. Could have sworn there was, like, people, like souls or something on this boat before. So I have 80. I could buy a tactical SMG. Or I could buy a suppressed 9mm pistol. I'm gonna go with that. Oh, okay. So now the boat's full of people because I just gave them all the souls. That's kind of an interesting effect. Let's do one more. Oh, also, you see, I now have my pistol and my knife there. Hello, Mr. Fire. The man Puff. He was a magic dragon. Keeps an old machine gun in the basement. He must be American. Okay, well, let's go kill Puff. A low-level dealer. We could learn things from him, but let's just kill him. Ronald. Pick up. You know, I don't think the fact that everyone's a zombie in this game is ever addressed. Alright, so let's go from my revolver to my sweet new suppressed pistol, and let's see how this works. I've never used a suppressed weapon in this game. We'll see if it actually helps at all. Okay, that's kind of cool. Huh. When you walk outside, you can hear audio change. That's pretty cool too. Where does this take me? I would prefer to have a machine gun when I do that. Look at all this stuff. Let's just come up here. We'll wait for Mr. Bouncer to go back the other direction. Oh, bad. I was turned into nothing but black goo. Okay, let's try that one more time. Perhaps without the turning to black goo part, though. I love suppressed weapons in games. That felt pretty cool. I also like looking cool in games. It's a thing I enjoy. Oh, there's just a pile of shells up there. Let's change my Tommy gun for this handy little shotgun. Got myself a new cassette tape. That guy seems completely unbothered by the fact that there was just a bunch of explosions. Well, it's just a 10mm pistol. I was hoping for something better than that. Check drawers. It has a filing cabinet. How unusual. 2 separate tabs. Stuff. It's full of loose papers. More stuff. A pamphlet. naked vampires. There we go. This one's blue, so that's useful. Okay. Wish I got to keep my guns. I guess I get to keep my suppressed guns, so that's all that really matters. Puff, the magic dragon, is no longer magical. 100% accuracy. Oh, what? I did 100% accuracy and you're only giving me 4 stars? Shameful. Guess I have to talk to this guy again. The flames roar to life with more vigor than usual. Ooh. Breed by the undead? I would hope so. They have 6 ears. Alright, let's do one more mission and then we'll probably call it quits. Where does this take me? Across the world. Okay, well that's interesting. Let's, there's some knives up here, so let's try throwing my knife. And then get shot in the knees. Okay, not exactly my intention. Let's try throwing the knife this time. Then let's slide to over here. You can't open doors, at least. So I have to open the door and... Whew, that was close. Thought he had me there. Oh, SMG. Ooh, there's a nice little mirror there. Who's that handsome Reaper? Nobody looks as good as nothing but a skull as I do. So, as soon as I pop out here, these guys are all going to see me. Yeah, I was hoping to get back down before they could do that. Let's wait for someone to come through. Okay, that went pretty well. But you know what? I think this SMG is what I need right here. Just gonna go up these stairs. Or maybe I'll go up this. And then I'm just gonna unload into these guys. Exactly as I planned it. If I'm fast. They're back there trying to figure out where I am. I'm up here turning off lights. Haha. So fiendish. Oh, well, and then the dog came and bit me in the leg. That's what you get, dog. Why, dang it. I only have so many bullets. Alright, so every time I go up here, I am insta-killed by these guys because, well, mostly just because they can shoot a lot faster than I can, as they are 3 people instead of just 1. So maybe I can hop up there and kill the guy on the left first, and then run away. Well, that didn't exactly work. Well, I'm out of bullets, but there are less bad guys. Hello. Come on, Mr. Zombie. I have 1 bullet left. It's just for you, my friend. Saved it just for him. Now we just go back to our handy little card. Follow the hounds. There are no hounds left to follow now. Again, 4 stars. I seem to be locked at 4 stars. How is it 10 plus 10 equals 20 now, but earlier 50 plus 10 equaled 80? No sense, I tell you. So that was Deadbolt. I'm honestly not sure how much more of it I'm going to play, but if it looked interesting to you, it's presently in the Humble Bundle for practically nothing, so if it looks good, go for it. I've been ArrowThief. I'll see you next time.